This breathing technique is invisible. You can do it while standing in line at the mall, you can do it in a meeting, you can do it during a stressful conversation, because not all of us have time for a full-on breath session to calm ourselves down. We need something to take action in the moment. As you might imagine, this breath is aptly named the stealth breath, because you can do it anywhere, anytime, without needing to worry about whether people are going to hear you, see you, or things like that. So let's talk about what it is. Basically, it's a 3-second breath in through your nose. You're calm, you're relaxed, nothing really moves about your body. So 3 seconds in, and then you're going to double that on the way out. It's going to be a 6-second breath on the way out. Again, you're staying relaxed in your face, your shoulders are relaxed, you're not really giving away, you're kind of like, it's your poker face, if you will. And no one's going to know, because really your body's not giving that tell as far as that goes. As you have probably caught the theme, the majority of our breaths this month have been longer exhales, and of course you know by now that that is upregulating our parasympathetic nervous system and downregulating our stress. So the longer you exhale, the more calm you're going to be. And who doesn't want to feel calm in this day and age with all the chaos going on? So even if you're in a stressful situation, a conversation with someone, in a meeting where you're put on the spot or something like that, silence is power. So take time to take this breath, even if you're being put on the spot and under the spotlight. Think of this as your ace up your sleeve, your secret weapon, whatever you want to call it. You can use it anywhere, anytime. It doesn't matter. There's no limit when and where to use it. So today's practice is we're going to use our stealth breath. We're going to take 3-second breath in and a 6-second breath out. Now, notice I didn't recommend you look down as you breathe out this time, because we want to be sure to not give it away that we're doing a calming breath. Now, if you have to, I mean, what's the big deal? If they say, why are you looking down? Which most likely nobody's going to say. You just say, I was just contemplating something. I was just thinking, this is interesting. Or I might have felt stressed for a moment there, so I wanted to relax. And basically, when you feel uncomfortable or have that stressful moment, that's your time to help regulate your system. This breath is great for that. The extended exhale is going to stimulate that vagus nerve, so it's going to increase your vagal nerve tone and calm your body down, which is what we want to accomplish here. You may have heard me mention before the neurotransmitter acetylcholine. That's involved in relaxation. So when you breathe out longer, you're activating that acetylcholine pathway in your brain, which is going to slow your heart rate. It's going to increase that parasympathetic nervous system, and because you're breathing through your nose and quietly, you're maintaining your posture, and nobody's going to know it. And so you can do this as many times as you need in a day. It's very powerful in terms of how it'll shift your physiology, or how your body will shift. Now, at this point, you have a breath for just about every situation you've been in. And I'm excited that tomorrow we're going to be talking about a way you can make each one of those breaths 10 times more effective. And it's not what you think it is.